Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into electrical diagnostics with a guide to the best digital clamp meters. Whether you're an electrician, technician, or DIY enthusiast, these tools are essential for measuring current, voltage, and resistance without breaking the circuit. We'll be highlighting top models that offer accuracy, durability, and advanced features for all your electrical tasks. Ready to find the perfect digital clamp meter for your toolkit? Let's get started, and as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. BUTURE Digital Clamp Meter. The BUTURE Digital Clamp Meter is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering a range of functions designed to make electrical measurement easy, accurate, and safe. This clamp meter is built for precision, measuring DC-AC current, DC-AC voltage, frequency, duty cycle, and resistance. In addition to these core features, it also supports diode testing, circuit on-off testing, data retention, capacitance, relative value measurement, and max-min value measurement. Whether you're troubleshooting home appliances or industrial equipment, this tool ensures accuracy. However, for currents below 6A DC-AC, it's not applicable, so bear that in mind when planning your projects. Number 4. B-Side ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter. The B-Side ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter is a highly portable and precise tool tailored for professional electricians. Designed to offer reliability and advanced features, this clamp meter is perfect for automotive and industrial applications, offering accuracy and safety without compromising on ease of use. The B-Side ACM91 stands out for its compact design, making it ideal for on-the-go electricians. With the ability to quickly and safely test DC-AC current without damaging insulation, it's a go-to for professionals needing accurate measurements in complex environments. This clamp meter offers true RMS capability, ensuring precise readings even for non-linear loads. The B-Side ACM91 measures DC-AC current ranging from 0 to 100 A with an impressive 1 mm resolution. Notably, it maintains high precision, 1 mm accuracy across a larger measurement range, making it a standout tool for those working with lower current measurements, especially up to 6 AX. The built-in zero clear function allows for even more accurate DC tests by eliminating residual readings before measurement. Additionally, the low impedance voltage test mode provides highly accurate voltage readings. Unlike standard clamp meters, the B-Side ACM91 includes a temperature test function, allowing for a wider variety of applications, from HVAC troubleshooting to car maintenance. Number 3. UNITE True RMS Digital Clamp Meter. The UNITE True RMS Digital Clamp Meter series is a powerful tool designed for professional and industrial use, offering high-level precision and advanced measurement features. With a capacity of measuring 1000 A AC/DC current and 1000 volts, this clamp meter is suitable for heavy-duty electrical work, ensuring accuracy and safety in every operation. The UT200 series meters provide 6000 count readings, which means they can measure a wide range of electrical values with high resolution. With true RMS functionality, they ensure accurate readings even in environments with non-linear loads, making them ideal for both industrial equipment maintenance and power electronics testing. Number 2. B-Side U6 Professional Digital Clamp Meter. The B-Side U6 Professional Digital Clamp Meter is an advanced tool designed for professionals who require accuracy, safety, and versatility in their electrical testing equipment. This clamp meter comes with a host of upgraded features, making it ideal for use in both industrial and domestic settings. One of the standout features of the B-Side U6 is its unique U-shaped design. This innovative shape makes it easier to test current in tight spaces and on complex wiring setups. It's particularly useful for maintenance tasks that require precision and ease of handling. The B-Side U6 has a newly upgraded casing that not only improves durability, but also enhances the overall feel and texture of the device. The rugged design makes the clamp meter ideal for rough environments, ensuring long-term reliability. The oversized body further adds to the safety aspect, allowing for safer handling during testing. This digital clamp meter is equipped with a large, intelligent dual-mode power supply, ensuring clear and accurate readings in all conditions. The large display makes it easy to see measurements, even in dimly lit environments. The dual battery replacement feature ensures that you never run out of power during important tasks. Number 1. Habotest HT208 Digital Clamp Meter. The Habotest HT208 Digital Clamp Meter is a highly capable multimeter designed for both professional and DIY use, offering precise measurements across various electrical parameters. This clamp meter stands out with its ability to handle high current and voltage, making it ideal for a wide range of electrical testing tasks. The Habotest HT208 can measure currents up to 1000 amps and voltages up to 1000 volts DC and 750 AC, making it suitable for both residential and industrial use. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.